Here is how we do tables of values. So tables of values from a description. Okay, so we're talking about pizza. So one pizza will cost $5. $5 for one pizza. Each topping, like mushrooms, pineapples, pepperonis, costs 25 cents. Every time you add a topping on your pizza, it costs 25 cents. So to make a table, we put number of toppings and the cost. Then for number of toppings, we'll start at 0 and we'll go up by 1, 2, 3, 4. How much will it cost? If you put nothing on your pizza, it will still cost you $5. If you put one topping on your pizza, one topping will cost 25 cents plus $5 for the pizza. So it will cost you $5.25 because you had to go $5 plus 25 cents. If you're going to put two toppings on your pizza, two toppings will cost you $5 for the pizza plus 25 cents times 2 toppings. So 25 cents times 2 is 50 cents plus your $5. So that will be $5.50. Three toppings. So you have to pay $5 for your pizza plus 25 cents times 3 toppings. So 3 times 25 cents is 75 cents plus the $5 is $5.75. And the last one, 4 toppings. So $5 for your pizza plus 25 cents per topping. So times it by 4. So 25 cents times 4 is $1 plus the $5 equals $6. That's how you fill out a table. Okay, now we want to graph it. So if we're going to graph it, we always put this one on the bottom. Number of toppings. And we choose a scale. So always start at 0, right on the axis. Start at 0, and then pick a number to go up by. So maybe, actually, I'm gonna move my line over. I'm gonna start over here. Start over there. Okay, so I'll make 0, and then I'm going to go up by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we put this one on the side. So cost in dollars. So always start 0 at the very bottom, 0. And then I'm going to go up by the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, that's actually tricky. 6. That's a hard scale. Okay, so for 0 toppings, my pizza costs $5. So for 0 toppings, my pizza is $5. For 1 topping, my pizza is $5.25. So it'll be here. For 2 toppings, my pizza is $5.50. 2 toppings, $5.50. For 3 toppings, $5.75. 3 toppings, $5.75. 4 toppings, $6. And that's my graph. So make sure your scale, this is your scale, and this is your scale, always starts at 0 and then goes up by equal amounts, like 1, 2, 3, or 2, 4, 6. And always make sure that this one, number of toppings, goes on the bottom. And that's it.